Plate joining stage. This equipment is used to align and join main plates of ship panel, which are cut by CNC cutting machine. It controls alignment, gap and step between the plates to join them by tack welding. Major functions are 1. Aligning and transporting plate by 8 magnets. 2. Maintaining zero gap between plates by 8 side pushers. 3. Removing step between plates by lifting bed and hydraulic pressure. Butt welding stage. This equipment is used to weld main plates which come from the previous stage of plate joining by submerged arc welding. Number 1 butt welding equipment and number 2 butt welding equipment weld 8 to 25 mm thick plates separately as upper side welding and back side welding. It uses I-butt type welding without V-cutting. Especially, this equipment compensates all the defects of one-side welding, which uses V-cutting. All the cracks and deformations caused by welding do not happen, so productivity is remarkably raised. Major functions are 1. I-butt type welding for 8 to 25 mm thick plates without V-cutting. 2. X-butt type welding for 26 to 40 mm thick plates. 3. Auto detection of welding seam by laser sensor. 4. Automatic welding condition setting by MPS function. 5. Using same flux for upper side and backside welding and automatic recycling of flux. 6. Backing system for making back bead is not necessary. 7. Servo traveling system enables welding on any positions of plates. 8. Cross seam welding by turning welding head. 9. 1 meter per minute saw welding speed by DC-AC welding. 10. Skewing function compensates deviation from the straightness of seam line. Turnover system. In this system, overhead crane turns over the main plates from the previous stage of butt welding in order to weld back side of the plates. Longi fit-up stage. This equipment is used to fit up longitudinal stiffeners by tack welding on the main plates, which come from the previous stage of butt welding. It uses magnetic controller and hydraulic cylinder to control span, right angle and zero gap between main plate and stiffeners to put them on proper position. Major functions are 1. Hydraulic press which controls zero gap between longitudinal stiffeners and main plate. 2. Laser beam sensor which aligns longitudinal stiffeners on marking line automatically. 3. Magnets control right angle between longitudinal stiffeners and main plate. 4. Skewing function detects and control disorder of plates. 5. Simultaneous multi-point welding on longitudinal stiffener. Pole welding stage. This equipment is used to weld longitudinal stiffeners already fitted up on main plates by GMAW welding. It is able to weld 8 stiffeners at once with 32 torches. Major functions are: 1. Maximum 14 mm welding thickness is possible with 32 welding torches. 2. 8 stiffeners can be welded simultaneously. 3. Automatic welding condition set by MPS function. 4. Fume collector makes clean working environment. 5. High welding speed and invariable welding bead is guaranteed by servo motor. Block assembly stage. Pulling winch is used for slitting floor and girder-type stiffeners on panel block for easy welding. Small lift car is used to transport blocks to the next stage of assembly line. It is able to lift maximum 600 tons. Block lift is used to lift maximum 600 tons of finished blocks to insert transporter for outside transporting.